The Jamaica Defense Force investigating death of private soldier. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Jamaica Defense Force JDF says it's investigating the circumstances surrounding the death of one of its members. In a statement on Wednesday, the JDF said that it was saddened by the death of the Jamaica National Service Corps Private Leonard McNally. Mr. McNally died at the University Hospital of the West Indies in St. Andrew on Wednesday. The JDF has sent condolences to the family, friends and loved ones of the late private. It says it will support his loved one during this time of bereavement. No further statement was issued as it relates to the exact cause of his death. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.